It was Mother's Day morning, and the sun was shining brightly. Lily, a curious and creative 6-year-old, was excited to celebrate her mom's special day. She had been thinking about what to get her mom for weeks. Lily's mom, Sarah, was always there for her, helping her with everything from tying her shoes to reading her favorite stories. Lily wanted to show her mom just how much she appreciated all that she did. As she was thinking, a friendly fairy named Sparkles appeared in her room. Sparkles told Lily that she had a special mission for her to collect all the things that made her mom happy and put them in a magical basket. Lily set off on her adventure, gathering all sorts of things that made her mom smile: a beautiful flower from the garden, a handmade card with a sweet message, and even a delicious homemade breakfast in bed. As she filled the basket, Sparkles added a dash of fairy dust to make it extra special. When Lily presented it to her mom, the basket began to glow. Sarah was overjoyed with the thoughtful gift and all the love that went into it. She hugged Lily tight and said, "This is the best Mother's Day surprise ever. You make me feel so loved and appreciated, sweetie." Lily beamed with pride, knowing she had made her mom's day extra special. And from that day on, she continued to show her mom just how much she cared, every day of the year. I hope you enjoyed the story.